Alright, Joe. Today, we get more blow off out of the Bronco. Alright, what's up, everybody? So, today, we're getting rid of the stock atmosphere blow off valve and putting on, well, I shouldn't say we're getting rid of that one. We're gonna still have it because this one isn't actually a blow-off valve, it's a blow-off valve spacer. So it comes with new hardware to replace those ones with longer screws. I believe they put two different ones in here, one for the 2.7, which is this one, and one for the 2.3. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. You just got this clip right here, you unclip, remove these plastic tabs right here, and then you just got 3 bolts right here. And I'm gonna use this 5/32. I already checked and it fits. I don't have that reverse Torx or whatever that is, so we're gonna use this. All right, yeah, so it's pretty easy. Like I said, I'm using this 5/32 little baby socket, and it fits right on that little star head screw right there. I just got this one, and then the one in the back, I already pulled the plug. So yeah, it's actually pretty easy. I'd be surprised if this really takes anyone more than like 5 minutes to do. Super straightforward, super easy. You just gotta wiggle these back and forth, I've found out. Come on. There we go. And the new one doesn't come with anywhere to put these on the new screws, I don't think. So this is just kind of gonna dangle, I guess. So we'll put our socket back on there, break it free. There we go. So just those 3 screws, and our blow-off valve is off. Pretty cool. Yeah, so then I'm gonna open this up and show y'all. All right, so this is it out of the packaging. So literally it's just gonna sit just like that. Your new hardware is gonna go through the blow-off valve and the spacer, and then it's just gonna sit inside this hole right back to where it was. You probably want to make sure, I mean, I'm sure it'll reach regardless, but probably want to make sure that this is facing probably the way it was before. So I'll probably have it like this so that the clip still reaches it. But yeah, I'm gonna start this screw because I can't do this with both hands, and then I'll let you guys see it whenever it's on. All right, guys, so one thing I ran into putting in the new longer screws is these little caps right there, if it'll focus, are these. They come in the stock blow-off valve for these screws, the OEM screws, and they make it a pain to put in the new screws. So what I did was I took a screw and just pushed it out like how it is now, and then take out the actual silver piece, and then you should be good. All right, guys, install is done. Got the spacer on there. I like how it's black, so it's pretty sleek, and if you don't know what you're looking at, you really wouldn't know. But the only bad thing is that this doesn't come with anything to put the piece back on to hang this wire, but probably just zip tie it to this one. Not terrible, but now we'll just start it up, see what it sounds like. Alright, y'all, that's it for the install. Y'all just heard it. Sounds pretty good. Takes a little bit to get on it to get the blow off to activate. But I'm sure driving it, it's gonna go off like crazy. I'm gonna do something about these, like I said earlier, probably zip tie this to that so it's a little bit cleaner. But yeah, that's it. Came out really easy. Like I said, it shouldn't really take anyone more than 5 minutes. It's 3 screws in that clip, and then you sandwich that plate in, and that's it. But I hope you all enjoyed. We're finally at 100 subscribers, so if you guys can like, comment, and subscribe so we can keep going, that'd be sick. See y'all in the next one.